Welcome. I thought we would do another tarot unboxing. This one's from Mystic Whisper. If you like the Studio Ghibli movies, this deck is based off of the Studio Ghibli movies. So here we have the Fool, the Magician, High Priestess, the Empress. Let me see if I can. The Emperor, and the Hierophant, and the Lovers. So these are all from the Studio Ghibli movies. It gives you an idea of what they look like. Again, this is, if you've not seen my other videos, this is how I mix them up. These are the cups. Really pretty. There you go. Again, this is from Mystic Whisper. I found them on Etsy. Comes in this nice little bag. And so I'm gonna mix these up. Here's the back. Really pretty.